Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Leah and you're watching Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. It really excites me guys when we have high specs, lots of awesome features for such a low price. You will know exactly what I mean. Just keep watching. Android TV boxes, what would we do without them? We've saved hundreds if not thousands of pounds and dollars with this incredible invention. They come in different shapes and sizes, highly spec'd, budget ones, varied features and cater for a wide range of audience. Well guys, today I bring to you a new box. It is at an unbelievably low price for what we are getting, hence I have to share it with you. This one supports voice control via the remote control, similar to the Amazon Fire Stick I recently reviewed. It comes with a high-performance GPU, Android 7.1, supports Kodi, comes with the usual simple yet beautiful interface. I would like to present to you the Mecool M8S Pro W. I have previously reviewed the Mecool M8S Pro model, which is a higher end and slightly pricier model. Do check out the link for it in the description box below. Guys, I also have the new model L here, so that's right here. I will give you more information on this one towards the end of the video. So coming back to the Mecool M8S Pro W, we'll check out some online streaming, 4K videos, gaming, benchmark and Wi-Fi tests, and summarise with the price, the pros and the cons. So guys, I'll get it out the box whilst you can check out the specs on the screen in front of you. Here we have it guys in front of us, the contents of this box. So we have a HDMI cable here, a handy user manual both for the box and the remote control. So it shows you how to use this 2.4G voice TV remote, which is very handy. A power adapter, a nice stylish IR remote control. Now this is the voice remote control, different from the ones that we've seen on many of the Android TV boxes. I'll give you guys a little demo of how this works later on in the video. So we have the voice command button here and the usual page up and down, volume, back button, menu button, OK button here, play, pause, power button, etc. We've got the mic here. Simply click on the button here and speak into the mic. A little USB dongle. We are going to be plugging this into the USB port here, which will then connect the IR remote control to the Mecool M8S Pro W. And the little beauty itself, the Mecool M8S Pro W. Check it out, it has a nice matte finish, a little red strip going all the way round. Simple yet good quality solid build. So we have holes here for ventilation. So ports here on the side guys, we have two USB ports, a micro SD card slot. On the rear here guys, we have an AV port, an RJ45 Ethernet port, a HDMI 2 port and the DC jack. A nice light and compact little box. So guys, I always have these three accessories to hand when using my Android TV box. Guys, although this box doesn't support Bluetooth, you can connect this gaming pad, keyboard and other devices wirelessly via the USB dongle. So I'll get the box hooked up to my TV and I'll be right back. So the Mecool M8S Pro W is powered by the Amlogic S905W 64-bit Quad-core Cortex A53 processor, which supports 4K at 30 frames per second, Ultra HD H.264 and H.265 VP9 videos. This Mecool M8S Pro W Android TV box runs on Android version 7.1. We have a quad-core processor, an ARMed Cortex A53 CPU, the GPU is Mali 450, DDR3 2GB RAM, 16GB ROM. So the box has a very handy user manual app on the main screen with document and video description. This can be very handy for those who are either buying an Android TV box for the first time or those of us who prefer a user manual to hand. The TV box also supports DLNA and Miracast. The M8S Pro W TV box has a 16GB storage. The TV box comes pre-installed with the TV Center 17.3 application based on Kodi 17.3 Krypton. Other amazing features of this TV box are that you can support it via your smartphone using an application called Setters Play. Simply install the Setters Play on TV box app onto your TV box. Open it, install it on your smartphone, and off you go. Almost all the Google Play Store apps are compatible with this box and are simple to download and install. And guys, for those of you who need to know, the box also has root access. So guys, now I'm going to perform a couple of tests to show you exactly how the Wi-Fi, gaming, benchmark, 4K videos and YouTube streaming, etc. performs on this box. So come into Wi-Fi. So guys, as you can see on the screen in front of you, we've had no problems with the Wi-Fi connection to the router and the internet. The Wi-Fi download speeds we've had are 21 megabits per second and the upload speed at 7.81 megabits per second. Now coming to the benchmark tests. For testing guys, I've used Antutu benchmark. And the results are here in front of you with an awesome score of 18,131. Coming to gaming guys, on the M8S Pro W, simple games from Google Play Store work perfectly fine. You can play them without a problem, simply connect it to a gamepad or a keyboard. I use this one for gaming and this one for browsing, surfing and navigating around the box. Links for these two products are in the description box below. Now guys, let's check out some gaming and you be the judge of how awesomely this box performs when playing games on it. As you can see guys, these games work without any problem. Even with the highest resolution, these games play trouble-free. Coming to a bit of 4K video testing, some YouTube streaming, a bit of Google surfing, etc. The M8S Pro W plays movies without a problem and a high resolution of 480p, 720p, 1080p. This amazing TV box plays video files in 4K at 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second. The box supports YouTube Full HD 1080p.
And that's what we do best here in Belfast.
He's perfect.
You're the first person who's done that too. Got a special touch, eh?
Our resources have been depleted. Time is running out. In 10 years, half the world's population will have starved to death. The planet will be uninhabitable. You will become enhanced humans.
Play Barbie 2 movie trailer. As you've seen, video playback runs very smooth and stable. It was smooth, no jumps, no lag, crisp and clear videos. Billboard Top 10. This amazing M8S Pro W supports Netflix. Open Netflix.
Again and again, the lead dolphin creates a circle before they all line up with perfect timing.
What is the weather like tomorrow in France?
Cloudy in Paris tomorrow with a high of 10 and a low of 3.
Watch Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
Information about the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
And check out the 4K quality at 30 frames per second. Everything works stable and very quick without any delays, as you can see here in front of you. In summary guys, this Mecool M8S Pro W is a good budget TV box. It gives us great performance and the usual operation. It works well, works stable and fast. Most of the video playback samples I've shown you in 4K work smooth and without much delay. Videos in 1080p 60 frames per second worked perfectly fine. And guys, most of the tested films, gaming is crisp and clear. And overall guys, in my opinion, this TV box is worth considering. It has some amazing specs and features, and if you have a limited budget, then guys, this is the one for you. Coming to the pros of the box guys, with the price we can't go wrong. Currently priced at £32.90, which is just under $45. It's fast and stable, a very simple and nice user interface, a small design, and packed with decent specs and features, very convenient with the voice control. I highly recommend this box. The cons guys, I feel maybe the Wi-Fi could have been a little faster, and the 4K video in my opinion maybe could have been slightly more smoother, but that's just an opinion guys. You be the judge of it and decide what you think. So that was the Mecool M8S Pro W for you. However guys, I did mention the M8S Pro L. Now this one, the L version in comparison to the W version is highly spec'd, comes with Bluetooth version 4.1, 3GB RAM, 16GB ROM. So in comparison to the Mecool M8S Pro W model, supports 4K and 3D video, dual band Wi-Fi, whereas the W model has a single band Wi-Fi. Unlike the W model, it also supports Bluetooth 4.1, which will allow you to pair Bluetooth enabled devices. It supports Miracast, DLNA, AirPlay, with which you can share your videos from your mobile phone, for example, or your tablet to your TV. And it also comes with a voice remote control. If you want double the power, double the speed, higher specs, Bluetooth, and so on, my personal favourite is the L version. I have been using it for a couple of days now, and in comparison to the W, it is much faster. Now the Mecool M8S Pro L, the highly spec'd version, is currently priced at $73.95, which is just under £55. Now guys, if you are interested in this one, the links for this are in the description box below. And if you would like me to do a full-on unboxing and review of this box, do leave a comment for it below. Once again, the links for this box and all the other products I've featured in this video are in the description box below, just in case you want to get your hands on one. And that's me done for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe, and do turn on that notification bell to keep you notified of my upcoming videos, giveaways, etc. So till the next one, guys, take care. Bye.